Welcome Blue Star School students. Yesterday we saw the exercise number 4.1 which is based on basic geometrical shape. Now today we are going to see about exercise number 4.2 which is based on curve. Exercise number 4.2. First let's see the curve. Okay, what do we mean by curve? Curve is an object similar to a line which does not have to be straight, that is curved line. Okay, this is a curve. It has two types. One is closed curve, another one is open curve. What do you mean by closed curve? It is nothing but the shape which is closed by a line segment or a curve is called closed curve. Open curve means the shape which is not closed, it is open, that is open. By line segment or curve is called open curve. Okay. So this exercise number 4.2 is based on only closed and open curve. Let's see the exercise problem. Exercise number 4.2. Let me take the first question. Classify the following curve as open or closed. Classify the following curve as the open or closed. Let's see the first subdivision. A subdivision. The given figure is Z shape. Okay. In this problem we have to find whether the given figures are open or closed. Okay. First let me check. You can see the diagram Z. It is not closed figure. Okay. It is open. So this is a open curve. The given figure is a open curve. Because it is opened by line segment. Let me take the next subdivision, C subdivision. Okay. Can you find the answer? Whether it is open or closed figure. The diagram is not closed, it is open. So it is also a open curve. Next let's move E subdivision. Okay. See this diagram. It is open curve or closed curve. It's not a open curve because the boundary should be closed. So this diagram is closed figure. closed curve. It is closed by the line segment. Next we have to start second question. Draw a diagram to illustrate the following. It has two subdivision. Subdivision A is open curve. Subdivision B is closed curve. Okay. So we have to draw a diagram in order to show open curve and closed curve. So first we have to draw a open curve. Subdivision A. First we draw a open curve. The shape which is not closed by curve or line segment, that is called open curve. So draw. Let we take T. T is not a closed figure. Okay. Then give an example for open curve. Next let we take U. U also a open curve because it's not a closed figure. Then N. N is also a non-closed curve. Okay. Okay, these three are the open figure. Okay. Next, we have to draw the closed curve. Okay. Triangle. It is a closed one. Next, square. It's also a closed figure. Then rectangle. Rectangle, semicircle, rhombus. Okay. These are the closed figure. Okay. In this exercise we saw the two problems. First sum is classify the following curve as open or closed. Okay. The diagram is given in that problem. The diagram is given. We have to check whether the given figures are open or closed. In second problem, we have to draw the diagram, open curve and closed curve. Next, today homework is first problem. Classify the following. Following curve as open or closed. open or closed. Subdivision A. Subdivision B. This first sum model. Second homework is draw a rough figure you can draw 3 diagram. You can draw 3 open curve and 3 closed curve. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, thank you students.